Hey guys, it's John from Poolbots.com, and today we're going to look at the new Dolphin Liberty 200 from Atronics. With over 5 years of hands-on experience in the pool industry, I'm going to break down the Dolphin Liberty, what's included, how it works, its performance and features. The unit is the newest cordless model from Atronics. We have been waiting for this robot for a while, and I'm excited to share how it performs. What's in the box? First, we have the manual, which has information on the 2-year warranty, how to operate the unit, and other information. Next, we have the Liberty's inductive charging cable. To charge, simply snap the cable into the back of the unit and the lights should start flashing. This is one of the Liberty's best features and it is not found on other cordless units. Then, we have the Liberty's retrieval hook. To get it out of the water, simply hook it onto your pool pole, grab it, and pull it up. Lastly, we have the Liberty robot. As you can see, it is completely cordless. The battery is fixed inside of the unit and it is not removable. Dolphin did a great job with the design. Finally, inside of the unit, we have the Liberty standard filter basket. So let's jump into how the Liberty 200 works. Starting off, the Liberty 200 is completely cordless, which means no more tangled cords. It's as easy as hitting this button on the back and dropping it into the pool. From there, the Liberty is ready to clean. It cleans both above ground and in-ground pools of all varieties. So whether you have a gunite, fiberglass, concrete pool or other, the Liberty will work perfect in your pool. The Liberty does a great job cleaning the floors and walls of your pool, but not the water line. It is equipped with wall climbing capability, which is standard in this price range. But it does not have waterline cleaning ability. This means it won't stay and scrub the waterline, which is one of the dirtiest parts of your pool. We would have liked to see waterline cleaning, but that feature is only found in more advanced Dolphin units, such as the Dolphin Quantum or Dolphin Premier. The Liberty has clever clean navigation that helps it map your pool just like the other Dolphins. The Liberty even parks itself to the edge of the pool when it's time to retrieve it. This makes it more convenient so you can grab it with the hook. However, this can be a pain as you must pull the unit up to the surface, hold the pole in one hand, and bend down to grab the unit. While it isn't a huge deal, it is something to think about, as this unit gets heavy once filled with water, thanks to its battery. There are a few other things to keep in mind. While the cordless feature is nice, you are sacrificing a few things when making the switch: power and suction power, and cycle time and filter options. First, let's talk about power. Since the unit is cordless, you do get a noticeable downgrade of cleaning and suction power. The battery simply cannot keep up with the corded model's performance due to the battery technology simply not being there yet. While it still cleans great, you are paying more for less. Second, the cleaning time on the Liberty is only 1.5 hours. After this, the unit has to be charged for 6 hours to be used again. So if you have a larger, dirtier pool, the Liberty may take several hours to get the job done. Once you factor in the cleaning and charging times, this can add up quickly. There is also no programmable timer, as the robot has to be charged after every cycle. So if you want a hands-off experience, this isn't the robot for you. I would recommend looking into the Dolphin Cayman. It is nearly identical, lower price, and has a programmable timer that you can use. We saved one of the most important topics for last: filtration. The Liberty only includes one filter option, the standard mesh filter. It is good for picking up larger items, but smaller items such as fine dirt, microscopic algae, and even bacteria will pass through it. The Liberty does not include the Dolphin Nano filter, which is one of my favorite Dolphin features. The Nano filter is like having a small, high-performance filter on board. It's made more like a real cartridge filter that works with your main pool pump. The Nano filter is included only on Dolphin Pro line robots, which includes the Dolphin Quantum, the Dolphin Sigma, and the Dolphin Premier. With this filter, you can capture the smallest dirt and debris that the other robots can't. Just watch as dirty pool water is poured over the two filters. What is captured by the Nano filters simply goes back into the pool with the standard filters. This highly efficient filter ensures your swimming pool remains crystal clear. The pleated polyester fabric creates a massive surface area. There is a reason why so many pool owners prefer using these onboard filters. We are hoping the Dolphin Liberty 200 will eventually add them, or perhaps it will be included on the Liberty 300. And if you struggle with leaves, the Liberty does not have a leaf bag. The oversized leaf bag is a Dolphin Premier exclusive. It captures leaves, twigs, and other smaller particles that other robots can't. It even includes a programmable timer, nano filter, multimedia filtration, and a longer 3-year warranty. The Dolphin Liberty only includes a 2-year warranty. This is a bit shorter than more premium units such as the Dolphin Premier and Sigma, but it is typical at this price point. And make sure to only buy your robot from an authorized dealer, such as poolbots.com. As an authorized dealer, we offer the Dolphin Liberty 200 and many other Dolphin units backed by the strong Dolphin warranty. You can try the Dolphin Liberty 200 or other robots risk-free for 30 days. And if you decide to return it or swap for another unit, there's no restocking fee, ever. First, with a 2-year warranty, programmable weekly power supply, wall climbing, and an optional nanofilter add-on, the Dolphin Cayman is not only a cheaper option, but it has more power and a longer cleaning cycle. It is one of the best values Dolphin has to offer. If you want to go even higher up the line, take a look at these units. With an included nanofilter basket, standard filter, and waterline cleaning, the Dolphin Quantum is a great choice. As a part of the Dolphin Pro line, the Quantum is a high-powered cleaning machine. It also includes the programmable weekly timer that allows you to set it to run every day, every other day, or every 3 days, so you don't have to charge it daily. Lastly, the Dolphin Premier is the ultimate upgrade. As the flagship Dolphin robot, it has multimedia, which includes 3 filter options right out of the box. It has an oversized leaf bag if you struggle with leaves, a nanofilter for small particles, and the standard mesh filters. You can even add disposable leaf and debris bags if you would rather skip the cleaning. Overall, the Dolphin Liberty 200 is a new innovative unit from Maytronics. It delivers a solid cleaning performance, but like all battery units on the market, having to charge the unit daily becomes the ultimate inconvenience. We're in a set and forget world, and that's what the market wants. It's also more expensive than nearly identical corded models that have more power. So in summary, if you don't mind charging daily and you're set on the battery, the Liberty is the best battery robot on the market today. If you're looking for the best performance and user convenience, you'll want to stick to a corded model for now. I'm hoping the battery technology advances in a few years and we can get 7 days of runtime for a battery model. That would be the best of both worlds. As always, you can buy the Dolphin Liberty 200, read real reviews, and learn more about dozens of robotic pool cleaners at poolbots.com. Visit our website to find the best deals, tips, and tricks for pool ownership, and special buys that'll help you enjoy your pool to its full potential.